Good morning, second day. Welcome to new learning session. Today we are here with one activity. As you can see on the screen, there are punctuation marks there. Yes, you are right. We are doing one activity with punctuation marks. That's why our activity name is punctuation activity. So what you have to do? Let's see the next slide. Our activity is rearranging jumbled sentences. Yes, rearranging jumbled sentences. I'm going to show you some words. Then you have to arrange them in such a way that it should be a meaningful sentence. And don't forget to put the correct punctuation mark also. So let's see the first example. So the words are cold, is, and, it, winter, foggy, season, in. So now arrange these words in a meaningful sentence. Think over it. The sentences are related to seasons only. Yes, so the correct sentence is it is cold and foggy in winter season. Yes, here we are talking about winter season and it is a simple statement. Here we are telling that it is cold and foggy in winter season. So in the end we will put a full stop and the first letter is capital. Let's move on to the second example. What? Wow. Weather pleasant. So now you have to tell me the correct sentence. So what will be the correct sentence? Think over it. Very good. Wow, what a pleasant weather. Here we are putting exclamation sign. Yes, because here we are showing our feelings. Yes, wow, we are happy. We are showing our feeling that what a pleasant weather. We are putting two punctuation marks here, punctuation signs here. One is exclamation sign and the next one is full stop. And don't forget to write the first letter capital. So let's move on to the next example. So let's see the next example. You, do, how, no, many are seasons in a year there. See, these are group of words and they are not having any meaning. If we are writing like this, they are not having any meaning. So what will be the correct sentence? Yes, the correct sentence will be, do you know how many seasons are there in a year? And we have which mark we have put in the end? It's question mark. Anybody wants to tell why we have put question mark in the end? Yes, because it is a question. That's why in the end we have to put a question mark. So let's see the next example. Eat mangoes, we, in, season, summer. So now who will tell me the correct sentence? So the correct sentence will be, we eat mangoes in summer season. Very good. So simple statement and full stop in the end. So the next sentence is 5 the seasons winter are spring, summer and autumn rainy. So this sentence, this contains so many names. Yes, all the seasons names are there in this. So what will be the correct sentence? How we will separate them? How we will write the names of all the seasons? By putting comma. So the 5 names will be written like this. The 5 seasons are winter, comma, spring, comma, summer, comma, rainy and autumn. Here we are separating the names of the seasons by putting comma in between. Now let's take the last example. Which season is the coldest? Yes, the correct sentence will be very good. Which is the coldest season? Here we are asking a question. That's why we are putting a question mark in the end. Now everybody know the usage of these 4 different punctuation marks. Now I'm going to give you some questions as homework where you have to write the answers by using correct punctuation mark. Yes, question mark, comma, exclamation, full stop, and don't forget to write the first letter as capital. So here are your questions. So what you have to do? Answer the following questions by using correct punctuation marks. As I told you, these punctuation marks are very useful while speaking, reading, and while writing sentences. See, if ma'am is writing a question, ma'am is putting a question mark. Now when you will write answers, you will put full stop. So read the questions carefully, answer them, and do this work in your EVS notebook. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye everybody.